Hey everyone, it's Gareth Flood here. So today I'm going to show you how to do a slideshow within ClickFunnels. So there's normally a lot of videos within ClickFunnels, but this is an alternate option you can also potentially test against your video or have it additionally, with some of the thinking being that not everybody likes to watch a video. Some of the videos can be quite long, so you can put the picture slideshow, or some people are calling this a documentary sales letter or a DSL. You can also put that on a different page. You could split test them, or you can do, as I'm going to do, put them on the same page. So you give people the option. Do you want to watch a short video or a longer video, or do you just want to click through the slides at your own pace? So I'm going to show you how to set up a slideshow within ClickFunnels. So obviously we start here in the ClickFunnels editor. You open the page that you're into, and then I have put in traditional video here. What I want to do is add just below that a slideshow. So add a new element, and it's within here. You want to add custom JavaScript HTML. That's what you want to do. So you add that box, then you click on it, open the code editor, and you don't need code for this. It's really quite simple. So this is where you put in the code that you require. Now there's only two parts to this, and I've saved them here in a separate document, which I will put in a link on a Google Drive for you, so you can just download it and copy and paste. There's essentially two parts to this. There's the code for the HTML box, which is this. So copy this code here. I've written it out for you. Paste the code into here. That's step one. So what this is basically setting up, this is called a div in code. It's going to look at a photorama, which is the second bit of code we're going to use, and it's going to set these up as thumbnails. So then all you really need to know is you need to put in your pictures here. So these things here, IMG is an image, SRC is going to source. So you're going to source an image, and here's where you put the link to the image. So to insert the image, remember browsers and websites, they refer to images that are hosted somewhere on a server. So simplest way to do this, if you have your pictures, so you have to have whatever you want. If there's slides or something, turn them into pictures, or if it's a Word document or Google document to make a slideshow, you have to turn it into pictures. That's quite simple. Things like PowerPoint you can export as pictures, or worst comes to worst, literally do snips and screenshots, crop and save them as images, and then store them on your website or a drive, or if you're already in ClickFunnels or a similar type of software, open another tab, which is what I've done here. Click on a picture. I go to edit the picture, which takes you to the ClickFunnels picture editor. So here's all of my pictures. So I uploaded my pictures into here, and then right click, copy the image, copy the link, go back to the code, and where you have that X, replace the X between the hyphens. Boom. So there we go. This is saying image source, and here you can see HTTPS. It's referencing where that image is on the ClickFunnels picture editor. And you go down and you just do that for each of these for however many images you have. So let me just finish that, and then I'll come back to it. Right, so I've completed that. I've basically gone back and forth. Each time I had 10 pictures to make up my slideshow. I've gone back, copied the link from here, and pasted it into, replacing the X into here. So I've got 10 images, and then I've closed the div on the other side. But all I've basically done is copy and paste the location of my images and replace the X that was in that code. So that's done. Close that, save it. So that's step one. Step two is code for the footer box. So in this case, I've already put the code in here. You copy this, back to the ClickFunnels editor, go up to settings, and then go to tracking code and footer code, not header code, footer code, and paste the script in there. Bang. That's all you have to do. Close that, save, and let's preview and see if the slideshow is there. So there's the video. Oh, and there it is. There's the slideshow with the thumbnails of how many slides are in there as well. And you can basically, the person can click on here, can scroll at their own pace, reading your slides or your long form sales letter, or it could be a Word document, however you want to do it, as pictures. They can do it at their own pace and read, going back and forth to the end. And you can see in the thumbs how many are there, so how long it'll take them, etc. So that gives someone an option if they land here and they see a video and they think, well, I don't want to watch a video, I want to just go through things on my own pace. I prefer to give people not auto-playing this. People work at different times and they read things at their own pace. Give them that option. Or some people could do both. They'd like to see a video and they're visual and they like to read, so why not read both? And you can test, like I said, you could split test this in 2 funnels, or you could just give people the option of both, and then they'll keep on reading down the rest of your funnel down to purchase, etc., etc. And that is basically it. So that's the super fast way. If you want to get more funky with it, if you just go to Google Photorama, find Photorama. So this is where I got the code here to set up this. There are other things if you want to look further. If you want to do different dimensions for the photos, make them 4x3 or more square or whatever, you can do that. There's lots of other configurations within here that you can do. So you can play around with that, but if you want to do it super simple, that is basically it. Save again. So 2 steps essentially. Take this code, dump it into the HTML box wherever you want it on the site, insert your pictures where these X's are, save it, grab this code, dump it in the footer box, which remind you get through settings, tracking code, footer, save it and preview, and you are up and running. There you go. So you can have a video and a slideshow on your ClickFunnels page really, really quickly. So I'll put the link for this where you can download it from a Google Drive, set that up, test it, play with it. Hopefully it helps you conversions. It's always good to try these different tactics when you're split testing things. This is like the really end of the execution of your plans and strategies. You're actually executing the tactics right down to some of the sales copy, etc. So it's good to split test lots of things and try different things to see what works or hits, what resonates better with your target customers. So give that a try, enjoy. And if you like this, don't forget to hit me up in the comments, tell me how it's helped you, what else you'd like to see in your marketing game as we all up-level our marketing game together. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this on my channel, and check out some of my other videos as well about upping your marketing game. And we'll see you in the next video.